Hello, my problem solving group. So for today's problem solving, we're going to do exactly what we did yesterday and take your earlier learning and just push it a little bit further. So the one thing that we need to remember whilst we're doing this is our stem sentence from earlier. Angles around a point always equal 360 degrees. It's never any more, it's never any less. Okay, let's jump straight into our first problem. So we have got three angles and we don't have any known facts about them. What we do have though is the letter A for each of them. So similar to yesterday, we know that because they're all the letter A, they are all equal in their sizes. So this A plus this A plus this A, which are all equal, will add up to our target number of 360 degrees. So I could try and do this mentally. I could try and go A plus A plus A equals 360 and try and work out what A is that way. I am going to be doing a division to help us work it out. So I'm going to use 360, do a little best stop, and I'm going to divide it by the amount of A. So we've got 1, 2, 3 A. So 360 divided by 3. 3's into 3, 1, 3's into 6, 2, nothing. So based on this, based on our division, we can see that this A is 120 degrees, this A is 120 degrees, and this A is also 120 degrees. Let's just double check that. 120 at 120 is 240, add 120 is 360, our target number. So A equals 120 degrees. Let's move on to the next one, where there is some known facts. Okay, let's have a look. So we have got two known facts here. So we have two angles which are 30 degrees each, and we have three unknown angles which are all A. Now we know that because they are all labelled A, they are all going to be equal. So I think this one is going to be a bit of a two-part problem. Let's work out what our known angles are together. So we know that 30 and 30 equals 60. Let's now take that away from our target number, our total number, which is 360, to see what is left. Now I know we don't need to write this down, it's just good to show the method. Okay, these two together add 60, which means that these left equal 300. Similar to what we did in the last one, I'm going to divide 300, what's left, by the amount of A's that I've got. So 300 divided by 1, 2, 3 A's is 100. This tells me that our A's are worth 100 degrees each. And I'm just going to double check that by adding this all up together. So 100, 200, 300, 330, 360. Our A, our unknown, is 100 degrees. Okay, now have a go at the two problems that I've put onto Seesaw for you. I'm not in school today, so if you do need any more support, give me a message and I'll respond to you, giving you a hand. Enjoy!